Hi everyone and welcome back to the Love You Show. My name is Ashley Nell Tipton and this is my co-host Andrew. This is the Love You Show where we teach you the fundamentals about self-love, self-acceptance, and self-care.
Welcome back. Today's show is going to be different than what we're used to because we're really excited to debut our new line of self-care products. And these products were chosen from a group of artists in the San Diego area, and we really want to highlight their work.
Before we get into the self-care products, can you tell us, Andrew, where are we right now?
We're in Mi Casa in Oceanside.
This little cozy house.
And these are not for sale, but they are real. This is Pete and that's Tank.
We're really excited to introduce you guys our self-care products that we have curated over the last couple of months to work with local artists here in Southern California to create products to open our mind to what other things there is to use as self-care on our bodies or for our mind and our souls. And so me and Andrew have been curating this process and just really enjoying what other things there is out there for self-care. I really enjoyed getting to work with Alexander and his mom where we got to learn more about essential oils and stones and sage, and we got to really curate something that me and you really felt like is a great self-care product for you or as a gift for these holidays.
And what's really great is we have 4 of those different boxes.
Yes.
And each of them elicits a different mood, a different feeling. And so when you're in a certain state and you need to change that state, the box is there for you.
Yeah, and what were the scents that we have? We have rose, lavender, eucalyptus, and cedar wood.
Right.
And we got to handpick each one of those because we all felt like there's a person out there who wants that rose scent or that cedar wood or eucalyptus or lavender, and we felt like each essential oil had its own way of making you feel, and we really wanted something that you can start a new habit or something new to make yourself feel good.
And what was great about working with these artists was their personal love of the products that they were creating. Some of these products, we went back and forth with them over months to get this so that it was just right. And again, their love of these products was just amazing.
Yeah, and it was really, really exciting to be able to work with artists in our areas during a pandemic when everyone is just trying to help each other out and appreciate local artists' work.
And we thought this was a great opportunity for these artists to get noticed and to use Ashley and I's show to put them on the map. So if you like the product, go to their website. They've got other products and purchase them.
And our next local artist we have is from Ethical Body Cares, who is Jasmine. And we were really excited to work with her because she creates organic skincare product for not only for your skin, but also for your body. And we got to know a little bit more about her and what she does and how she wants to inform more women about taking care of the downstairs area. And she created a box that was just dedicated for women and shaving, and I thought it was really neat. And I was like, I think other women need to have this self-care day for them. I know I give myself those days where it's just grooming and making yourself feel better. It doesn't have to be for anyone else.
Right, I agree. Most of these products are just to make yourself feel better.
Exactly. Like starting with one of my personal favorites, I think, or all of them are my favorites, but the candles that come with fresh lavender, crystals, and a little bit of everything is one of my personal favorites.
Yeah, and the little stones.
Yes,
yeah.
It adds the perfect touch to it.
Yeah, they're really great.
And it's really pretty when you light it up and you start to see the candle wax and the stones and the fresh flowers inside the candles. And these light up for about 7 hours. And we sell the candles separate in every scent. But what's great about the kits that we have together is that you get 2 tea candles, a sage, a bracelet, and the
Oils.
oils. When me and Andrew were thinking about what else could we use for this self-care product line that we wanted to create, we really wanted to step out of something that was for your body. We wanted something that was for your mind, and we really thought, why not get a fun coloring book and some affirmation cards? And so we got a Day of the Dead coloring book, which are one of my favorites to have because you get to explore and just color everything the way you want to. You want the coloring book, don't you? And then the affirmation cards, which are 30 cards in a deck, and you can read one to yourself every night, every morning. I think this was really cool to have because who knows, if you're traveling or staying home, this is great to have with you all the time.
Yeah, affirmations are great. Great way to start a day.
Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy our self-care products. We had really fun choosing them and really handpicking what we want to present to you all, especially for these holidays since they're going to be really different. We wanted to give you a new way of how to give gifts this holiday.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell them where they can get these products? Do you want to tell them?
Oh boy.
Oh, sorry. Well, you can find these products at ashleynelltipton.com underneath our self-care products. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as we do.
The pugs are now for sale.
Yes. Not this one. Not this one. Happy holidays, everyone, and we can't wait to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.